Welcome to Millilli's Cafe and Grill. We specialize in pizza, delicious baked goods, and catering. We're family owned and operated. A restaurant and bakery open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. And we also offer a great catering menu. So we suggest you come and see us at 264 Main Street in Portland. Millilli's Cafe and Grill, pizza, bakery, and catering. It all started after coming to the U.S. as a young child. Sebi dreamed of having his own business. And as young as 9 years old, he knew he wanted to have a restaurant. And now, we invite you to visit Sebi's dream. Millilli's, the best quality food and bakery items at reasonable prices. All made with the freshest ingredients, delicious grinders, mouth-watering bakery items, salads, pizza, and more. And if you're having a special occasion, make it extra special with Millilli's. You'll find us right over the bridge in Portland at 264 Main Street. Thanks for visiting Millilli's Cafe and Grill.